One of the most common problems with planers, especially tabletop planers, is snipe. And this can happen when the table is unlevel, where one of the two rollers is contacting the wood while it cuts, effectively cutting out more material at one or both of the ends of the board, making it thinner than the rest. And normally the way you address this is adjusting these extension tables. That can be really annoying to make them flat and level. So an easy solution is just making an insert from laminated particle board, and that's what I'll be doing here. Now my first step is determining the width of my planer, which is about 13 inches, and then I'm just cutting out a full sheet here, about 4 feet long for the total run of the insert I'm making. You of course can make it whatever length you want. Now for the next step, we have to prevent the insert from sliding through with the material being planed. And for this it's really easy. All I'm going to do is cut out a little scrap piece here and I'll attach it to the end of it so it prevents it from sliding through. Before moving forward with a couple of extra upgrades, I wanted to do a quick test taking a massive cut out of this board, and I did notice there was a line still, but there was no noticeable thickness change in the board on the end. And just a couple passes with the sander completely removes this. So my assumption is there is a very small amount of snipe happening, probably attributed to the flatness of the board on the other side, but not enough that actually makes a difference in my project pieces. Now moving on to a couple upgrades. The first one I want to make is sort of a combo safety and protect the planer type of upgrade. As the boards go through, there's a chance they can slide off the end like this, so I need a couple guides. Now the planer does actually have these guides built in. You can see them better here in this shot. They're very short, but they stop a piece from sliding off the side as it's going through. So to add these to mine, I'm cutting out a couple 3/4 inch pieces of 1/4 inch plywood, and I'm gluing and tacking them on the sides, offsetting them by about 1/4 of an inch, which was about the height of the guides in the planer. I'm doing this offset so they don't interfere with each other. Now the last upgrade is adding paste wax or a sliding compound. Now this is a major benefit of this insert. Rather than sticking your hand in the planer to try to wax the bed, you can just pull this out and easily wax it and then slide it back in.